Before we get started, here's a quick challenge for you. Can you tell me the square root of 1024 in just 5 seconds? Now, I know that probably stumped most of you watching this, right? Well, today I'm going to explain you an awesome trick to calculate the square root of any perfect square in no time at all. By the end of this video, you'll be able to calculate square roots so quickly, you'll impress your friends and family with your math skills. Ready? All you need to do is memorize the squares of numbers 0 to 9, which I'm sure you already know. Now, focus on the last digit of each of those squares. I've color-coded them here to make it easier for you to see. When you look closely, you'll notice that some squares share the same last digit. 1 square and 9 square both end in 1. 2 square and 8 square both end in 4. 3 square and 7 square both end in 9. 4 square and 6 square both end in 6. 0 square and 5 square are unique, ending in 0 and 5 respectively. Now, let's dive into a few examples. We'll start with something simple. Suppose we want to find the square root of 1225. First, we look at the last digit of 1225, it's 5. Now, check which square ends with 5, it's 5 square, so write 5 down. Next, cross out the last two digits, leaving us with 12. Now, we want to find the biggest square that's less than or equal to 12. That's 9, so 3 square, write down 3 next to the 5, and boom, we have our answer, 35. Let's step it up a bit. Now, we'll find the square root of 729. The last digit is 9. This could either come from 3 square or 7 square, so we write 3 or 7. Now, cross out the last two digits, leaving us with 7. The largest square below 7 is 4, so 2 square. Now we know the answer will either be 23 or 27. To figure out which, multiply 2 by next number 3, which gives us 6. Since 7 is greater than 6, we choose the larger number 27. Let's do one more to really cement the trick. For 2916, the last digit is 6, so the square root must end in either 4 or 6. Cross out the last two digits, leaving us with 29. The largest square less than or equal to 29 is 25, so 5 square, so the answer is 54 or 56. Multiply 5 by next number 6, which gives us 30. Since 29 is less than 30, we choose 54. Pretty cool, right? And just like that, you've learned how to find square roots quickly. Now, can you tell me in 5 seconds what the square root of 3364 is? I'm sure you'll be able to do it in no time after practicing this trick. If you enjoyed learning this mental math hack, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to support more content like this.